Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Obapa Skinny. Today video we are going to learn how to make custard oil at home. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you are welcome and don't forget to subscribe. We are going to use only one ingredient, that's custard seed. When you get a fresh custard seed, you need to dry it. So next you add your custard seed to your skillet on a medium heat. We are going to keep stirring it so that we don't burn the seed. You know, if you have the seed like this, don't eat it or something because it's poisonous. Except when you make the oil, that you can use the oil, which will not do anything to you. But when you use the seed like that, like you want to test it or something, no, don't try it because it's very poisonous. So you stir continuously. After 5 minutes, let it complete cool down because we want it to cool down. Then you blend your roasted custard seed using a food processor or anything that you think it can blend your seed. After you blend it, you can see these little oils coming in. Yeah, I can see the oil. So you boil water because we are going to cook this custard seed. So boil water and put your custard paste in it. Stir the mixture and boil the mixture. So we are going to boil this mixture until all the water evaporates. So you keep continuous stirring it so that we don't burn it. You can see that the water has started to reduce and you can see a little oil. Now you can see the oil has started to settle. This time you can decide to scoop the oil and cook it again to get the pure oil. But I keep continue cooking the mixture because I don't want to do that part, and you can see the oil has started settling. So keep boiling it. Now it's okay, all the water has evaporated and you have to off your heat and let it cool down. So what you are going to do is to strain your custard oil using a strainer and a cheap cloth because we want all the particles to be out. So after this I have to strain it again. So you can see custard oil is very good for skin and hair. You can Google it and learn more about it. Custard oil can grow your hair and make your skin very nice. So now we have our custard oil. All you need is store in a clean container or bottle. Please check out my second YouTube channel and subscribe at Queen Mother DIY TV. I have a lot of videos there. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video, and click on the notification bell. Bye bye.